Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this curl cream from Matrix called A Curl Can Dream is my go-to for everyday curly hairstyling. This is a light hold gel. It has a nice thick consistency that applies really easily. It's going to define your curls and coils, but it won't leave any flaking or any crunch. I love that it's made with Manuka honey extract and it doesn't have any sulfates, silicones, or parabens, so you can feel good about what you're putting in your hair. I like to apply it evenly throughout my hair using generous amounts and then scrunching it all at the end for some volume. This little bottle will last me about a couple of months and it smells really great too. So if you're looking for a great gel for curly hair, definitely check out Matrix A Curl Can Dream. This gel is wonderful for curly hair. It holds the curl for a few days and it doesn't leave a cast. It has good ingredients, and that's my point of view.